Welcome. In this video, I want to tell you about hiking, swimming, and GPS tricks on Garmin Bounce 2 that you need to know about. First of all, hiking and other sports that are available in your watch's activities section. Here you have not just the standard set of activities, but you can choose from many other activities like winter sports, outdoor sports, gym. Here we have the hiking and even the mountaineering, the disc golf, the horseback, the team sports, and many other presets. Plus you can create your own other activity types and customize them however you like. This allows kids to track diverse activities or adventures accurately. The next thing I wanted to tell you about is the GPS tracking, which is available via the LTE subscription, the connectivity subscription. This watch uses GPS combined with LTE to provide real-time location tracking to parents using this Garmin Journey application, which allows live safety monitoring during outdoor activities like hiking. And you can also call or message your device right from this menu in case of need. Also, here is you can activate, or rather your child can activate an emergency call, which will also send you their live location in one moment by holding down the start button for about 10 to 15 seconds. However, this option is also included in paid connectivity subscription. Now, the next thing I wanted to tell you about is water resistance. This device is swim ready and suitable for water play, but not recommended for deep diving. However, it can resist. It has a 50-meter standard for submersion, but generally speaking, I think it's not. It's mostly for swimming. This device simply ensures that ensures safety during swimming, so it can handle splashes and shallow water activities, and protects itself on outdoor adventures involving water. Also, the geofencing feature, which also available with the subscription, which is available in your device settings right here, lets you create geofenced areas like trails and park that alert you instantly if your child enters or leaves those zones, providing safety during outdoor excursions. And so that's all the features I wanted to tell you about in this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.